Pumpkin bread in May, why not? We're making the Starbucks Copycat pumpkin bread. 3 eggs. Whisk well. Now the only thing I'm debating is whether to add these super ripe bananas in there instead of the oil. And right now I'm gonna do it. 1.5 cups of pumpkin, but I think I'm just gonna use all of it. Whisk again. So it says 2/3 cup of oil, and I'm gonna substitute with bananas. So 1 cup of oil is 2/3 cup of smashed bananas. I'm gonna use 2. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla. 1, 2. So 1/2 cup of regular sugar, and then 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. Mix until nice and smooth. Add 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and then 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and then 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then I think you do a little mixy mix before we add in the flour. And then a cup and a half of flour. Then you fold it in just until the flour has disappeared and there's no large lumps. Oh wait, we're gonna spray and flour our loaf pan today. A little bit of flour. And then we're just gonna sprinkle some pumpkin seeds on top. Bake 350 for about 1 hour. That's 60 minutes.